How long you should practice piano each day? 40 hours. Just kidding. Some people do 30 minutes. Some people 60 minutes. Some to sessions of 30 minutes. Maybe 4 hours. Everyone is different. I like to prioritize achievement of tasks instead of how long I spend practicing piano. What used to take me 20 hours to fix 10 years ago, I can now fix in 20 minutes. I try to spend 20 to 30 minutes on a problem I'm trying to fix in a piece, before moving on to the next problem in the piece, or the next piece of music. If you focus on achieving perfection of a problem area in a piece instead of time spent, you will make more progress. The top comment of the day goes to, it's AdoGames534 on YouTube, who says, "Good effing channel, I love you bro, keep it like that bro, it doesn't matter if you have only 1 viewers, I always will be there." If these tips were helpful to you, please let me know. It would mean the world to me if you could leave a review and share with your friends. If you have any further questions, please send me a direct message on Instagram at isaipinahacks. I try to reply to every single message. Keep practicing, and most importantly have fun.